Put the screwdriver in beside the clip. Just pry it out. Just lift out the other side. And it's just as I expected, a plastic pump. Just stick a screwdriver under that retaining clip. Just work it all the way around. That'll come off. Another pump leather. It's a used one I salvaged off of something else, but it will work fine. What I like to do, before I pried that off there, I lay that little retainer clip flat. I don't want to mash them all the way down, but I'm going to just mash it a little bit to try to bend them little spring back down a little bit, just to give it a little better bite. Put the pump leather on. Put your retaining clip back on. Always make sure the little points are sticking up, not down. Should be able to mash it back down with your thumbs. And that's replaced. Simple, easy. Okay, I'm just going to stick that into some neatsfoot compound. Let it soak while we're finishing this up.